How to remove Instagram account from Facebook. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll guide you on how to disconnect your Instagram account from Facebook. So the Meta, the parent company of both Instagram and Facebook, aims to integrate the two platforms for seamless sharing of information and login details. However, if you prefer to keep them separate, you can easily remove Instagram from your Facebook account. To begin, navigate to Facebook and locate the menu icon at the top right corner of the screen. And before that, make sure that you're logged into your specific account. Next, click on the gear icon at the top right corner to access the account center. Within the account center, select See More option to view the connected Instagram and Facebook profiles. Under the account settings, tap on Accounts to manage the linked accounts. You will see the options for both your Facebook and Instagram accounts. To disconnect Instagram from Facebook, simply click on the Remove button next to the Instagram account, and a confirmation prompt will appear asking if you're sure about removing the connection. Confirm the action by clicking on the Remove option, and this process will effectively unlink your Instagram profile from Facebook. Remember, you can still use both platforms independently without them being connected in the account center. So this was all about it. If you have any queries, feel free to ask in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.